just a simple solitary eternity band. That is gorgeous.
99 cents. For perfection in pink sapphire.
Let's apply some frizz cream for brushing your hair. It's now kind of frizzy.
With more than 9 million horses in the U.S., it's very likely you'll meet one on the road.